हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं साहिल और आप देख रहे हैं टॉक विद साहिल यूट्यूब चैनल। एंड टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द मैथमेटिकल मॉडलिंग ऑफ द पीवी मॉड्यूल इन MATLAB Simulink. Before we start in the MATLAB, I will show some equations which we are going to model with the help of the MATLAB mathematical block. So these are the equations. These are the photocurrent equations, and the photocurrents, that is mainly depends upon the G, that is the solar irradiations, and this is the saturation currents, and there is some kind of a complex equations, and this is the reverse saturation currents, current through shunt resistor, and this is the output current. Okay, I will tell you some values that we are taken as a constant or some rename. For example, this is the photocurrent, so we represent in the IPH, and some constant operating temperature, nominal temperature, because we are using the temperature in the Kelvin, and all the constants we are using. And finally, which model we have developed, that is the PV module, and the rating associated with that PV module in Simulink, that are the rated powers, and the number of cells we are using 54 in the series and parallels 1. So let's jump on the MATLAB. जैसे 14 वर्जन पर आप जंप करोगे या हायर वर्जन है तो आपको मॉडलिंग की भी ज़रूरत ना पड़े. सो मैंने इसको पहले से ही मॉडल कर रखा है, डिज़ाइन कर रखा है, तो आई एम जस्ट डबल क्लिकिंग ऑन इट. जैसे ही आप डबल क्लिक करोगे इस पर, then you will visit to the next page and this will be like this. So this is the PV module. This is the PV module, and this is the controlling elements, that is the temperature that basically control the output voltage, and this is the irradiation G, and that control the output current. So I will show the characteristics IV versus IV characteristics and PV characteristics. Let's run it. You are seeing the characteristics IV versus PV, IV characteristics and PV characteristics, and we change these values, then obviously the characteristics will affect. But today we will not discussing about this. I already make a video on these characteristics, where we deeply study about these characteristics by changing the parameters, that is the solar irradiations and temperatures. Now we are interested in the domain of the modelings. So let us see the current equations, or these are the equations. For example, we have to model a particular equations, then basically here is nothing but this is the simple products, and this is the division and putting the power 3. This is the exponential functions, and in exponential functions we are putting this quantity, and this is nothing but this is the simple multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition. So basically when we are going to design of the MATLAB uh, uh, modeling, then basically we need some mathematical blocks, and these blocks you can find on the MATLAB Simulink library. Then what to get these blocks, basically you just visit to this front page when you opens, and there you find a Simulink library. Just click on it. जैसे ही आपने क्लिक किया, you will move in the next page, and that is like this. This is the Simulinks. So basically just visit to the commonly used block, and here you can find this is the ln1, and this is the output block, and this is the product block. When we have to multiply or division some quantities, some constant, this product block. And if you are not find to digit, just if you are not able to find this block, just type here. For example, I have to search the add block, and I just click double add and press the enter key. You find the add blocks, and just uh, clicking on it एंड ऐड टू अनटाइटल्स मॉड्यूल, और जैसे ही आप क्लिक करोगे आपकी स्क्रीन पर आ जाएगी जो भी जहाँ पे आपका वर्क प्लेस होगा. सो ओके, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू दिस. कमिंग बैक टू this yeah, this is the modeling PV module. So what is inside this? So we click on it, and this is the whole PV module inside, which जिसको हमने मॉडल किया है. तो बेसिकली देर आर सैचुरेशन करंट्स, रिवर्स saturation currents, photo currents, shunt currents, and this is the PV currents. And here we see the one equation how we model. So basically we are seeing this the most complex equation, that is saying this is also a complex equation and this is also a complex equation. So I am interested in the saturation currents. So let's see how we model the saturation currents. So if you see, basically this is the product of the three quantities 1, 2 and 3. So in this exponential functions, basically this is the uh, subtraction, and this subtraction is multiplied by two quantities q and eg0, and that is divided by nk. So let's see how we design in the MATLAB this, and we are seeing the saturation current block. So just I'm clicking on it. This is the saturation block. So what we see that there is 1 by tn and 1 by t, then we product. So basically this function is given 1 by tn and 1 and t, two constant, and that is again passed through the product block, then that is given 1 by t, and then we are going to subtract this. So 1 by tn minus 1 by t, this block gives the output of this block gives, and this is multiplied by two quantities, that is the q eg0 again, and then this block give what this block give the numerator of this exponential function. ये जो क्वांटिटी होगा वो ये ब्लॉक देगा, and we have to divide nk. So n and k I product and then divide it, and then I passing this math functions. So this is the exponential function, then e raised to power u. You can change the value of the math function. Here you will get the options, what is the power, logarithms, square, reciprocals, what kind of you need. So basically this is the math function and we are using exponential. Okay, so we find and pass through the exponential function. Yeah, so this the output of this block, what is given, the exponential function, and this is product by two quantities. One is the irs, this is the constant block, and there is the one block tn by t. So we take the constant tn, and we already use the constant t, so connect this to tn and divide t by tn, and passing through this MATLAB function. And here is the what kind of MATLAB function we use, because there is the power 3. You can see this is the t by tn raised to power 3. Then I I am passing through the power functions. You can see power, and what kind of the power you are putting, that is replaced by the constant 3. Okay, and this is multiplied, and here the I naught we are getting. So what we gain in the I naught, this is the saturation currents. Same way you can design the reverse saturation currents, photo currents, shunt currents, and PV currents. So let's see the block of the reverse saturation current, and this is the block of reverse saturation currents. I'm going to zoom it. Yeah, it's becoming quite complex. Yeah, I hope this is clearly visible now. You can check the two constant that is multiplied, and again for constant that is multiplies and divides, and then it's passing through the math functions, and there is the constants. This is simple. You can take the screenshot and make the model using the mathematical block. This is the reverse saturation currents. We are going to the shunt current block. I am showing to shunt current block. So this is the shunt current block. I also you can easily, this is easily visible. You can see. So basically the equation of the shunt current, this is the V plus IRS upon IRS. So basically I product these quantities, add this V and divide this. Okay, you can see here products, then add, and then divide, and this is the output. And one thing is the photo current is remaining still. So this is the photo currents, and the equation of the photo current is, yeah, This is the photocurrent ISC plus K, this constants and Gy. So basically I subtract these two quantities, product this Ki and add with Is and multiply it by G by hundreds. You can take the modeling of, you can see mathematical modelings. First I use add block, then product this is Ki and then add with ISC, and that is also the product by 2, sorry, this is the G, this is the block name 2 and the constant is the G, and then by divide by hundreds and I am getting the IPH. This is the elementary things, this is not tough, this is basic modeling of a circuit or modeling of equation. And this is the PV current. This is quite interesting. One things I tell you why it is quite interesting. Yeah, so basically in the equation you will see PV current. Yeah, this is the equation of the PV current, Q plus V plus IRS. So see here, this is the output current or PV current I is here, and this I is used in the uh, equation, putting the exponential function. So basically what we do, initially this Rs into I, so we block this. I am showing this, I am removing this and deleting this. So we design this function because we don't have the I, but after the modeling using the mathematical block of the equations, finally we get the I, and this I is given to the this point. इसको आखिरी में कनेक्ट करेंगे. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको दिखाई दे रहा होगा अच्छे से, सिंपल मॉडलिंग है. So all the 4 or 5 equations we have designed. So what we do, I forgot to telling one things. If we design this, then select this. आपको इसको select करना होगा. इसको select करने के बाद just press the Ctrl G because we have to create a subsystem. Ctrl G को आप क्लिक करोगे, Ctrl G. So this becomes subsystem. This is the subsystem. Okay, and remove these all parameters, delete these parameter, and so this become the PV current. This is the subsystem of PV currents. If I am going to zoom it, you can see this is the PV current. So आपको subsystem बनाना है और finally उसको use करना है, ठीक है. So I am going to undo this. Okay, so this is the PV current subsystem. Some problem happens here. Some data is not missed here. All the things are correct. Why these are the open? I'm just selecting this and making the Ctrl G. Delete and selecting this and delete. Hmm. I'm renaming this because some problem happens in our previous circuit. PV current 2, I am renaming naming it PV current, PV current 2. Okay, and going to read back. Just going to back. I'm going to delete this, and I'm saying to no change because some problem happens in that circuit. Yeah, I have the untitled PV module, so I double click on it and it will open. Take time. This is so. This is the circuit PV current. So all mathematical modeling we have done, and finally I have to run it again to show you how the output characteristics will open. Will These are the output characteristics you can see, and this point is known as the MP maximum power point, and there we use a techniques maximum power point tracking, and we will discuss in the further lectures about the maximum power point tracking techniques. And in the further lectures we also connect the load on this PV module and see the behavior of the output characteristics, because basically what happens, changing the load. So this is our maximum point, or for getting the maximum efficiency we wanted to operate this around this maximum point. But when we apply the loads and we change the load, then the operating line, for example this is my operating line in this way, passing through the origin and this, if I change the slope of this operating line u, then it gives this point, and or this point it move. So basically in one way there will be the decrement of the current or decrement the voltage, then this output power also decreases. We are not able to obtain this maximum power if the load change. So all the things we see in the next lecture, where we are connecting the load on this panel. So this is the module, and when we connect this such type of module in the series and parallel, then that become the panel. So one thing I will tell you, that the efficiency of the module is greater than the efficiency of the panel, because the जब पैनल्स को आप कनेक्टेड करोगे तो कुछ एरिया रहेगा जहाँ पे उस एरिया पर जो इंसिडेंट जो रेडिएशन होगी, रेडियंस और इंसोल्यूशन होगा, उसको हम इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में कवर नहीं कर पाएंगे. मान लीजिए यहाँ पे एक मॉड्यूल है और इसके बगल में दूसरा मॉड्यूल मैं यहाँ पे अटैच करूँगा, तो ये जो बीच वाला एरिया है, ये वाला जो एरिया बचेगा वहाँ पे कोई मॉड्यूल नहीं रहेगा, तो एफिशिएंसी होती है वो घट जाती है पैनल की, और मॉड्यूल की एफिशिएंसी ज़्यादा होती है. एंड द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द पीवी मॉड्यूल इज or PV cell, that is around 15 to 18%, or in the extreme conditions it can reach to 20 to 22%. And the reason behind the low, such type of the low efficiency, इतनी कम efficiency की जो वजह है उसको भी हम further lectures में discuss करेंगे. So hope you enjoy this lecture, and thanks for watching it, and don't forget to share, subscribe and like it.